London is more than just its iconic landmarks. Beyond the bustling crowds and familiar sights lies a treasure trove of hidden gems waiting to be discovered. These unique and lesser-known attractions offer a glimpse into the city's diverse character and rich history. Join us on a journey off the beaten path where we'll uncover the secrets and stories that make London truly special. From tranquil canals to vibrant neon art, from historic music halls to quirky museums, London's hidden gems offer something for everyone. These are the places where you can escape the tourist throngs and experience the city's authentic charm. Prepare to be surprised and delighted as we delve into the unexpected corners of this captivating metropolis. We'll explore artistic havens, literary landmarks, and culinary delights, each with its own unique story to tell. Imagine drifting along peaceful waterways, stumbling upon eccentric art installations, or stepping back in time in a historic music hall. London's hidden gems are waiting to be explored. Let's embark on an adventure that will reveal the city's true spirit and leave you with unforgettable memories. Little Venice, a picturesque network of canals, offers a tranquil escape from the city's hustle and bustle. Colourful narrowboats line the waterways, creating a charming and peaceful scene. Take a leisurely boat ride along Regent's Canal, enjoying a unique perspective of London's waterways. Ell Pie Island, on the River Thames, boasts a rich history. It became a hub for jazz and rock music, hosting legendary bands like the Rolling Stones and Pink Floyd. Today, it's a vibrant artist community, offering a glimpse into a unique and creative world. Leighton House Museum, the former home of Victorian artist Frederick Leighton, is a hidden gem in Kensington. Step inside and be transported to a world of artistic splendor. The Arab Hall, with its intricate mosaics and golden domes, is a true masterpiece. Explore the museum's opulent interiors, adorned with Leighton's stunning artwork and personal collections. Imagine the artist at work in his studio, surrounded by his creations. This beautifully preserved house offers a fascinating insight into the life and work of a prominent Victorian artist. God's Own Junkyard, located in Walthamstow, is a neon wonderland that will ignite your senses. This eccentric collection of vintage signs, artwork, and neon installations creates a surreal and vibrant atmosphere. Prepare to be dazzled by the colourful lights and quirky designs. Step into a world of retro glamour and artistic expression. Capture the perfect Instagram photo amidst the glowing neon signs. God's Own Junkyard is a hidden gem for art lovers and anyone seeking a unique and unforgettable experience. Wilton's Music Hall, the oldest surviving music hall in the world, is a true hidden gem in Whitechapel. Step back in time as you enter this historic venue, with its weathered walls and atmospheric interior. Imagine the echoes of past performances filling the air. Experience the magic of live entertainment in an intimate and unique setting. From cabaret to classical music, Wilton's Music Hall offers a diverse range of performances. This historic venue provides a glimpse into the entertainment culture of Victorian London. The Seven Noses of Soho, scattered throughout the vibrant neighbourhood, are a quirky and intriguing art installation, although one of them may not strictly be in Soho. These sculpted noses, hidden on buildings and walls, invite you on a scavenger hunt. Keep your eyes peeled and see how many you can find. This playful art installation adds an element of mystery and fun to exploring Soho. Discover the stories behind these hidden noses and the artist Rick Buckley who created them. The Seven Noses of Soho are a testament to the city's vibrant and creative spirit. Daunt Books, a travel-themed bookstore, is a haven for book lovers. Step inside and be greeted by oak galleries and skylights. Browse shelves organized by destination and let your wanderlust guide you. The Hardy Tree in St Pancras Old Churchyard is a haunting yet beautiful sight. Surrounded by gravestones arranged by Thomas Hardy, it adds literary history. Sir John Soane's Museum is a labyrinth of curiosities. Discover ancient artifacts, Hogarth paintings, and a hidden sarcophagus. Entry is free, making this hidden gem accessible to all. Little Georgia Cafe, tucked away in Hackney, offers a taste of authentic Georgian cuisine. Step inside this cozy and rustic cafe and be transported to the heart of Georgia. With its flavors of khachapuri, a cheese-filled bread, khinkali, and delicious dumplings. Experience the warmth and hospitality of Georgian culture and this unique dining experience in a charming and inviting setting. This little Georgia cafe is a hidden gem for food lovers seeking authentic flavors. So let your taste buds be tantalized by the unique spices and flavors. London's hidden gems offer a different perspective on the city. They reveal the layers of history, culture, and creativity that lie beneath the surface. Stepping off the tourist trail allows you to experience the city's authentic charm. So embrace the unexpected and discover the hidden treasures that await by wandering along tranquil canals, exploring quirky museums, or savor unique culinary experiences. London's hidden gems offer a richer and more rewarding experience. These lesser-known attractions provide a deeper understanding of London's diverse character, showcasing the city's vibrant art scene, its literary heritage, and its culinary delights. Exploring these hidden gems will leave you with a newfound appreciation for London. By venturing beyond the familiar sights, you'll discover the true spirit of London through these hidden pockets of beauty, creativity, and history. London's hidden gems are waiting to be discovered. They offer a unique and unforgettable experience, away from the crowds and the usual tourist attractions. Take a detour from the beaten path and unearth the city's hidden treasures. Whether you're a local or a visitor, exploring these hidden gems will enrich your experience of London. Discover the city's hidden canals, quirky museums, and vibrant art installations, letting your curiosity guide you on an adventure of discovery. These lesser-known attractions offer a glimpse into the city's diverse character and rich history, showcasing the creativity, innovation, and cultural heritage that make London so special. Uncover the secrets and stories that lie beneath the surface. So, next time you're in London, venture beyond the familiar sights and explore these hidden gems that await you by embracing the unexpected and discovering a side of London that few people get to see. You'll be rewarded with unforgettable memories and a deeper appreciation for this captivating city.